Hi, I'm Chris Gustafson with Classic Community College's Historic Preservation Program. I want to share with you an example of one of our historic preservation workshops. This one in particular is in regards to historic wood window restoration. And here during this session takes place for over 2 weekends, and we spend the time learning about historic wood windows, how they were made from different times of the era, what type of materials that we used. We also cover, as you can see, how to extract them intact, and then later in the weekend we'll be removing the glazing putty, we'll be fixing the wood parts, we'll be re-roping them, and we'll be showing you skills that you can do this work on your own, just to develop your skills and your knowledge and potentially maybe even start your own business. So I welcome you to observe, to watch, to contact the preservation program, to maybe even job shadow and see, and just see if it's a good fit for you. So I really hope you take the time and the initiative to make it happen. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm Josh Gifford. This is my first year in this program. And right now we're doing a weekend workshop where we work on wood double hung windows. And so what we've done so far, we have removed windows that had significant rot in them. We reglazed those windows. We've painted them, which you can see behind you. Those are painted windows. And so what I'm doing, and the reason I have this harness on, is I am removing some of these rotted pieces of wood that we have made. I removed this top piece up here, and this is the replacement that's going in. So I'm basically harnessed up, sitting inside this open window here, getting that area ready for this next piece. And then after that, we're going to install the rest of the windowsill, and we will begin reinstalling these windows.
Abby, we're working on restoring some wood windows here at the Astoria Firehouse. It's a really cool project. We've pulled them out and we've restored them, painting them, and fixing up any damaged wood sills and putting them back in. I joined the program because I'm interested in historic preservation. I like building more inclusive history and making sure that everyone's stories are represented in historic preservation. And the program's been a cool way to get me into that.
Hi, I'm Lucien Swerdloff with the Historic Preservation Program at Classic Community College, and we're doing a workshop here at the old fire station in Astoria, restoring the historic wood windows. So you can see the students here. We just started working, so we're going to pull out all of the historic windows, restore them, and then put them back in good as new. So we'll be here for 2 weekends, 4 days working on this project.